strong. Oh, come on.
Okay, watch him.
There you go.
Come on. Oh, no.
What are you doing?
I'm turning. He's pulling.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, no.
There you go.
No, no, no. No, no, don't. We ain't rolling no more. Come on, come on, come on.
You
Yep.
got it on video, right?
I can't even.
All right.
Oh, shit.
I see the little red.
Yep.
Come on, come on, come on.
All right, now wind down. Drop the rod and wind down.
What does that mean?
Okay, well, lift up now. Lift up. Okay. Are you ready? Start to wind. Wind, 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 wind. Stop. Now just lift the rod up. Down and wind. Down and wind. Nice and easy. Okay.
You're good. You're good. That's what you're supposed to do.
This is what it is. Down and wind. Now lift your rod tip up. Lift it up. Lift it up. As you come down, wind. Wind, 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 wind. Turn, stop winding. Now turn your tip to me. Bring your tip to me. Bring your tip to me. Relax.
Nice.
Okay. Open your bail. Open your bail, please.
Flip it.
Yep. There you go. Now, look at him.
Hi. I got a fish. Woohoo!
Harbor tuna.
Nice.
Harbor tuna, Bermuda. And you got that.
Nice.
Got to hold it the other way because it
Turn
was
it.
video. Yeah. There you go.
Hi.
You know what I mean? Morning.
Nice. Oh, he's pretty.